Dzień dobry. Słyszeliście coś o tym wynalazku? Może gdzieś coś wam się obiło o uszy? Dajcie znać, czy wiecie coś więcej na ten temat, bo to bardzo interesująca sprawa. Wszelkie namiary macie oczywiście w przypiętym komentarzu. Szczęścia, zdrowia, pomyślności. Na razie, pa.
Chikumbutsu isn't just building one car. He's created something much more bigger, an energy system that could power any vehicle around the world. And he is ready to partner with major auto manufacturers to transform the entire industry. Think about that for a moment. Every car on the road powered by infinite clean energy. Now I know what you're thinking. This has to be fake, right? Yes, that's what some experts said before, until they witnessed this with their own eyes. Now let me explain to you how this works. Here's where it gets fascinating. You know how your radio picks up music from thin air? Those are radio frequencies, invisible waves traveling all around us. Chikumbutsu figured out how to turn these waves into pure energy. Think of it like a radio that plays power instead of music. Now, generally, the systems to extract energy from this method already exist in this world, but they are economically not feasible and are very minute that can hardly power any device. But Chikumbutsu has figured out a way to amplify this energy and make it economically available, meaning that a car like this has no range. It means it can go as far as it can until you have a tire puncture or you have a mechanical problem. In our last video, we said that scientists never understood how this was possible, and that's the reason why his technology was not given a patent. So what happens next when energy becomes as free as air? Who loses power? Who gains it? And why are some of the world's biggest companies suddenly very nervous? Now, this story isn't over yet. In fact, it is just the beginning. And I want to know, what would you do if you have access to unlimited energy? And if you want to know how innovations like this are reshaping our world, hit the like button and see you in my next video. Ciao.